So I will see today how can you transfer the domain from one account to another account. To transfer domain, you have to go to GoDaddy.com, and GoDaddy.com you can see in original domain your domain is here. So you can see once login and you can see the domain name. So what you need to go in the top, you need to go domain, click on this domain and the drop down. There is transfer domain names. So then what you will do once click on transfer domain name. So you need to transfer, you need to type your domain. Okay. Then you need to click transfer your domain on the left hand side. So once you click, so what it will ask, okay, this domain is already in your GoDaddy account, so are you looking to transfer to another account? Okay, so you can click continue. So otherwise you can transfer to another account. So click on transfer to another account. So what it will do, so now it will asking to log in again. Yeah, now it will ask to log in again. So once it is logged in, what you need to do, so you need to type the recipient's email address, then you need to re-enter the recipient's email address. Okay, so recipient's customer is optional, you can leave it. Now you need to go on the left hand side. On the left hand side there is a send transfer request. So now this will be one transfer request would be sent. Okay, so now we have successfully emailed the transfer request as soon as the recipient received the transfer. Now you need to log into recipient's account, and there recipient need to log in there and he need to accept. So we'll see, go recipient's account, we'll go to Gmail. So now you can see after some time we have received a mail recipient's account. So what you need to do, click on go and activate. So if you click on activate, and before that in GoDaddy account you should have logged in using your recipient should have logged in using their account. Now you can see all the things are mentioned here, who is transferring and all the details. You need to click on continue. Okay, so now I understand, complete the transfer. Okay. So once you click on complete transfer, it will take some time and the account does. So okay, perfect. Now we're adding this to your account. It will take 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes you can see this domain will be visible in your account, or you can go and see view my transfers. You can see like a transfer between accounts. You can see what is the status here. You can click on this option. You can see what is the status of the transfer. Yeah, it will take yeah, it is not loading, but it should load and it should show. Thanks for watching.